3D scanner, 3D laser scanner, 3D laser in Bangalore. In the world of technology, 3D scanners have revolutionized the way objects are captured and reproduced. One such type of 3D scanner is the 3D laser scanner, which uses lasers to map the surface of an object and create a digital representation of its shape and dimensions. These scanners have become increasingly popular in various industries, such as manufacturing, architecture, and healthcare. The SCON Design, a renowned institution for technological advancements, has been at the forefront of researching and developing cutting-edge 3D laser scanning technology. The 3D laser scanner utilizes the principles of laser triangulation to capture precise measurements of an object's surface. This technology has numerous applications, ranging from quality control in manufacturing processes to creating detailed architectural models. The SCON Design has been instrumental in pushing the boundaries of 3D laser scanning technology. Their team of experts has conducted extensive research to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of these scanners. Through their innovative algorithms and advancements in sensor technology, they have developed state-of-the-art 3D laser scanners that are highly sought after by industry professionals. Furthermore, 3D laser scanners are renowned for their speed and efficiency. With their advanced scanning capabilities, these scanners can capture detailed 3D models in a matter of minutes, significantly reducing the time required for data acquisition. This makes them invaluable in time-sensitive industries where quick turnaround times are essential. In conclusion, 3D laser scanners have revolutionized the way objects are captured and reproduced. With their ability to capture intricate details and complex shapes, these scanners have found applications in various industries. The SCON Design's contribution to the advancement of 3D laser scanning technology is commendable, as their research and development efforts have resulted in state-of-the-art scanners that are highly sought after by professionals. As technology continues to evolve, it is likely that 3D laser scanners will become even more powerful and versatile, opening up new possibilities for innovation and creativity. In the technological realm, 3D scanners have completely altered the process of capturing and replicating physical objects. The 3D laser scanner is one kind of 3D scanner. It uses lasers to map an object's surface and generate a digital model of its shape and dimensions. These scanners are becoming increasingly used in many fields, including construction, medicine, and the arts. The SCON Design, a world-famous center for innovation, has been at the forefront of developing sophisticated 3D laser scanning technologies. The 3D laser scanner takes precise surface measurements by employing the concepts of laser triangulation. Both the industrial industry and the architectural modeling industry can benefit from this technology. When it comes to 3D laser scanning, the SCON Design has been crucial in breaking new ground. Experts on their team have done substantial study to improve the precision and productivity of these scanners. Their cutting-edge 3D laser scanners are in high demand because of their groundbreaking algorithmic innovations and technological advances in sensor technology. In addition, 3D laser scanners are well acclaimed for their rapidity and productivity. Detailed 3D models may be captured by these scanners in a matter of minutes, thanks to their superior scanning capabilities, drastically cutting down on data collection times. This makes them helpful in service sectors where responding rapidly to customer needs is crucial. Finally, 3D laser scanners have changed the game when it comes to capturing and replicating physical items. These scanners have been put to use in a wide variety of fields thanks to their precision and capacity to record even the most complicated of forms. Research and development efforts at the SCON Design have led to cutting-edge scanners that are in high demand among industry professionals, demonstrating the company's significant contribution to the development of 3D laser scanning technology. The increasing sophistication and adaptability of 3D laser scanners promises to unleash previously unimaginable levels of creativity and innovation as technology advances. In the domain of technology, 3D scanners have revolutionized the way in which physical objects may be scanned and reproduced. 3D laser scanners are just one type of such device. Lasers are used to create a three-dimensional representation of an object's shape and size. More and more industries, from building and architecture to medical and the arts, are adopting the use of these scanners. The SCON Design is an internationally renowned research facility that has made significant advancements in the field of 3D laser scanning. Using laser triangulation, the 3D laser scanner provides accurate measurements of the surface being scanned. This technique has applications in both the manufacturing sector and the architectural modeling sector. The SCON Design has played a pivotal role in advancing the state-of-the-art in 3D laser scanning. The team's experts have put in a lot of time and effort to explore how to make these scanners more accurate and efficient. Their state-of-the-art 3D laser scanners are in high demand because of the revolutionary advancements in algorithm design and sensor technology that they've introduced. The speed and efficiency of 3D laser scanners have also earned them widespread praise. Due to their improved scanning capabilities, these scanners can record detailed 3D models in a matter of minutes, significantly reducing data collecting time frames. This makes them useful in service industries where quick responses to consumer requests are essential. When it comes to digitally capturing and duplicating real-world objects, 3D laser scanners have finally changed the game. These scanners' accuracy and ability to record even complex forms have made them useful in many different areas. The SCON design, research and development efforts have contributed significantly to the advancement of 3D laser scanning technology, as evidenced by the widespread demand for the company's cutting-edge scanners among industry professionals. As technology improves, 3D laser scanners will become more versatile and precise, opening the door to a flood of new ideas and innovations. Thanks for watching.